Alright guys, this is the first attempt on recording sound audio with the video. I'm gonna go for a quick run. Alright. Don't want to stall. I hope you guys can hear me clearly from the wave on the file here. That's pretty loud. I should adjust my volume on the phone, compensate, picking up the sound of the wind, sound of the bike, pretty much anything that's leaking through my helmet. Not much when I'm not speaking. Who knows how much that'll change as I increase my speed. I don't know. But let's see. The weather's beautiful. Rained last night into this morning. But by 7:30 this morning the rain had already stopped. So the sun popped out and pretty much most of it's dried up, especially on the road. That gets hot pretty quick. We're not going too far. Again, I don't want to do too much, only to find out that this thing didn't work as planned, and you gotta try to do it again. So we're just gonna go for a quick run. I hope this recorder stays on. If it's not running directly through the GoPro, going through one of those Apple recorder apps. So I hope it just stays on up until I stop recording. And it's streaming wirelessly through, or feeding wirelessly through my helmet. Yeah, doesn't look like much will happen over here. That was wild. Getting off on the wild side. I know I probably scared some people. It's a higher pressure warning. And I'm not up to spec. See if I can turn that off. Here we are. Not sure why that warning came on when it's been 33 the entire time. Still at 33. Not sure what's going on, but either way. What's going on here? Clear for takeoff. that back camera is still on. Got him on there pretty tight, huh? Should be no worries. Fingers crossed. Ah! Big ball. I'll just take a quick run up gas station, put a little bit of petrol in there, and head back. Nothing too crazy, like I said, this is a trial phase, so I'm not gonna do too much until I know for sure that this thing's working. Construction everywhere. I don't know what they're doing here, but cleaned up all the trees. Got it all tidied up. Should just leave it like this. Get some green grass growing. Breeze feels nice. There's another pouch. Got a Porsche behind me now. I think he wants to play. No place today. Not on these roads here, at least. We're just cruising along. M3, old school. I shouldn't say old school, but older style. Those are some beautiful cars, though. M-line. Like this guy. Huh. The M-line. M package. That's an actual M version, which would be comparable to the M1000RR, not a S1000RR with the M package. Guess that would be the competition version of S1000. Yeah, me. Oh, the camera came loose. Right sidey, lefty, loosey. Tighten that up right quick. Good thing I saw that. Tighten that up, tighten that up, tighten that up. Oh Lord. That could have fallen off. Tilt you back this way, buddy. all these bumps. Hopefully it doesn't go anywhere. That was tough. I got no protection on the land. What was I thinking? Yeah, I do have the clear land cover. Can't see it. The camera's still there. I would love to know. I'm gonna see. Try to be safe and keep my eye on the road. Trying to figure out if the camera's still there. 27 minutes and still recorded. Yay! Thank you, buddy. Thank you. It's Alabama, far away from home. Being considerate. I can appreciate that. We're almost at our destination. Oh, look at that dark cloud. It's raining on somebody somewhere. Not liking it. Unless, of course, if you're a farmer. You want the rain. Some people just prefer the rainy weather. Or cloudy, I should say. Photographers, you like that cloudy stuff. Yeah, boy. Just grab one. Just one. Well, this ride would be pretty boring. Just cruising along. Gotta have a little bit of excitement. Just a little rush. One for the ego. This over there is a couch house. They got all the couches there. Harley Davidson. Man, oh man. A little bit of petrol. Check all our devices. Should be good to go. Let's turn that off. And we'll start again in a little bit.